Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best 3D printer that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling with slow 3D printers that take forever to finish a single model? Or maybe your prints keep failing because of poor leveling and weak extrusion? If you're tired of wasting time, filament, and patience, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Meet the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, a high-speed 3D printer built for performance, precision, and large-scale printing. Blazing fast speed, prints up to 500 mm per second, dramatically reducing print time. High-temp 300 degrees Celsius nozzle, supports advanced materials like ABS, PTG, and more. Direct drive extruder, better control, smoother extrusion, ideal for flexible filaments. Auto bed leveling, no more manual adjustments, consistent first layers every time. Large build volume, massive 320 by 320 by 385 mm space for big projects. Stable metal build, durable frame for vibration-free, precise printing. User-friendly setup, works seamlessly with laptops and common slicing software. Pros: extremely fast compared to standard printers. Large print size for bigger creations. Reliable auto-leveling system. Strong and stable metal construction. Cons: slightly bulky due to large build size. May require tuning to fully utilize high speed. Not the most beginner-friendly at first setup. This printer is perfect for hobbyists upgrading to a faster machine. Creators who print large models or batches. Small businesses needing efficient production. Users who want speed plus precision in one package. At around $332.50, the Neptune 4 Plus offers serious value, combining high speed, large build volume, and advanced features at a very competitive price. Number 4. Meet the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, a compact, high-speed 3D printer designed for beginners and creators who want easy setup with powerful performance. Multicolor printing support, create vibrant, multicolor models with ease, AMS light support. Super fast setup, ready to print in just 20 minutes. High speed and precision, delivers fast prints without sacrificing quality. Full auto calibration, automatically handles leveling, vibration, and flow tuning. Active flow rate compensation, ensures smooth, consistent extrusion. Ultra quiet operation, runs at around 48 dB, perfect for home use. Compact and lightweight, easy to fit on any desk, only 8.1 kilograms. User-friendly experience, great software and smooth workflow for beginners. Pros: extremely beginner-friendly. Fast setup with minimal manual tuning. Quiet operation, great for indoor use. Multicolor printing capability. Excellent print quality for its size. Cons: smaller build volume compared to larger printers. Multicolor system, AMS light, may cost extra. Limited for very large or industrial prints. This printer is ideal for beginners entering 3D printing. Students and home users. Creators who want multicolor prints. Anyone needing a quiet, compact, and reliable printer. The A1 Mini typically sits in the budget to mid-range, offering premium features like auto-calibration and multicolor printing, making it one of the best value compact 3D printers right now. Number 3. Meet the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max, a large-format 7K resin 3D printer built for ultra-detailed, professional quality prints. 13.6-inch 7K monoscreen, delivers incredibly sharp and detailed prints. Large build volume, huge 11.8-inch by 11.7-inch by 6.5-inch printing space. COB Light Turbo 3.0, powerful and even light source for faster, consistent curing. Dynamic heating system, maintains optimal resin temperature for better results. Flip open cover design, easy access and improved workflow. High precision printing, ideal for miniatures, models, and professional parts. Durable build, made with ABS, aluminum, and polycarbonate for stability. Pros: exceptional detail thanks to 7K resolution. Large print area for batch or big models. Consistent curing with advanced light system. Smart heating improves print success rate. Cons. Resin printing requires more cleanup and safety care. Heavier and takes up more space. Resin cost is higher than filament, FDM, printing. Not ideal for beginners. This printer is perfect for professionals and serious hobbyists. Miniature creators, designers, and artists. Users needing high detail plus large resin prints. Small businesses doing batch production. At around $649.99, this printer offers premium resin printing features, including 7K resolution and large build volume, making it a high-value choice for professionals, but a bit overkill for casual beginners. Number 2. Meet the Hefty 3D Tina 2 Mini, a compact, beginner-friendly 3D printer that comes fully assembled and ready to print right out of the box. Fully assembled design, no complicated setup, just plug and print. Auto bed leveling, hassle-free printing with consistent first layers. Compact and lightweight, perfect for desks, classrooms, and small spaces. Resume printing function, continues printing after power loss. Removable magnetic build plate, easy print removal and cleanup. Open source system, flexible for learning and customization. Quiet operation, ideal for home and kids environments. Safe for beginners, simple controls and user-friendly interface. Pros. Extremely easy to use, perfect for beginners. Lightweight and portable. Minimal setup required. Affordable entry into 3D printing. Cons. Very small build volume. Limited advanced features. Slower and less powerful than high-end printers. Not suitable for large or complex projects. This printer is ideal for kids and students learning 3D printing. Beginners who want a simple, no-fuss experience. Home users with limited space. Anyone starting with small creative projects. At around $169.99, the Tina 2 Mini offers great value for beginners, especially with its plug-and-play design, but it's best seen as a starter printer, not a long-term advanced solution. Number 1. Meet the FlashForge Adventurer 5M, a high-speed Core XY 3D printer built for both beginners and advanced users who want fast, precise results. Ultra-fast printing, up to 600 mm per second for dramatically shorter print times. Core XY structure delivers high precision, stability, and smoother motion. Fully auto leveling, perfect first layer without manual calibration. 280 degrees Celsius quick detach nozzle, easy swapping and supports multiple materials. Wide material compatibility, works with PLA, PTG, TPU, and carbon fiber filaments. Smart and user-friendly, great for both beginners and experienced users. Compact but powerful, balanced size with strong performance. Optional enclosure support, needed for ABS/ASA printing. Pros. Extremely fast printing speed. High precision thanks to Core XY system. Easy nozzle replacement. Beginner-friendly with pro-level features. Great value for the price. Cons. No enclosure included, needed for ABS/ASA. Can be noisy at top speeds. Slight learning curve for advanced tuning. This printer is perfect for beginners who want a powerful upgrade-ready machine. Hobbyists printing fast prototypes. Small businesses needing speed plus quality. Users who want Core XY performance on a budget. At around $238.99, the Adventurer 5M delivers insane value, offering Core XY speed, auto leveling, and premium features at a budget-friendly price point. Want to level up your 3D printing game? Check the link in the description to grab this printer at the best price. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more honest tech reviews.